I'm eating all of this. I'm eating all of this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make avocado egg rolls. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start off with an unripe avocado. Mine was too unripe. You can hear it when I knock it on the table. So I did struggle peeling this bad boy. Like literally my hands probably was almost off. But this is what I got by chopping off both avocados. So you want them where they're unripe but not this firm. Like this just came off the tree and I was wrong for buying it. Anyway, so I'm chopping my avocados into little cubes. Just whatever you want to bite into is the size you need to go for. But definitely needs to fit into the egg roll. Now I'm cutting up about 1/4 of a purple onion. And this is a little weird flex. I'm showing you cilantro from my garden. That's why I left in the pine cones. But of course I'm going to wash those off. Now I'm taking half of what I have for my cilantro. Now honestly y'all, had I bought some from the store, I would have used more. I would have used a whole handful. This is about a half a handful. And yes, I'm leaving the stems in there as well because they do have flavor. So after you cut up your cilantro, boom, this is how much I have. Again, I would have more if I had more. Then 1/4 cup of red onion, 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and our 2 very unripe avocados. Now we're gonna add in some salt and some pepper, and I'm just gonna mix that up together. That's it. All I added was salt and pepper because I want to taste all those flavors in there, okay? Boom, bam, bam. While that rests, let's go ahead and work on our sauce for our egg rolls. Now I'm taking 1/4 cup of soaked cashews. Obviously, I soaked way too many, y'all, but I'm gonna use it in a salad later. We're gonna take the rest of my cilantro from my garden, which is obviously not enough, like I said earlier. And then we're gonna take some sweet tamarind. I looked all over for tamarind paste, y'all. Kroger, Walmart, Farmers Market. I could not find it, so I got the original tamarind. Okay, I gotta try this, y'all. I've never had tamarind. I know this is a concentrate. Like this is basically like biting into, I don't know, I don't want to compare. I just know from when I went over to El Salvador that he said that it's way too sweet to eat by itself, but I gotta see for myself, y'all. It looks disgusting. Another vegan roast, just like dates, but oh, it smells like maple syrup, but like with a little salt to it. Okay, I'm gonna taste a little piece. Like it tastes like a date so far. Let me get a little bit, but I wasn't whoosh overwhelmed. Oh, it's another seed in here. The seed is right there. Very distinct. I can't tell y'all what it tastes like. It has its own flavor. But I would say dates mixed with like something savory, like a salty, not salty date. It's a tamarind. You know how you really can't describe what a jackfruit tastes like? I can't. It ain't as terrible as I thought though. But all right, let's keep breaking this apart. Actually, let me get a new one because I'm gonna use this whole. I want to use all the meat from a whole tamarind. This is where I thought I was grown, y'all. I said my Ninja blender is that girl. So first I was attempting to really peel the tamarind, and I was like getting irritated about how many seeds. Like it was in this one pod, y'all. It was a good 4 or 5 seeds. So I was like, that my blender can blend it up. No, baby. That would be a Vitamix, not my Ninja, even though I love her. So after I drop the whole pod in, I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of agave and then 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil to my mixture. Now I'm gonna add in a few shakes of salt, few shakes of pepper, and this is where I learned that my blender could not handle those seeds, okay? Y'all thought I started over? Nope. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the mixture. I really think it could have added more, but at this point I was like, listen, let's just go ahead and take this seeded sauce on out of this blender, okay? Now let's make our egg rolls. We're gonna put in our mixture right into the center of our egg roll wrapper. I'm gonna take some water and we're gonna put it all around the perimeter of the egg roll. Then you're gonna fold it in like a little baby, okay? Take in the sides, womp womp, fold it and wrap. Y'all know I'm not like the A1 chef on rolling egg roll wrappers, but listen, it got the job done, okay? Now it is time to fry your egg rolls. Of course, I rolled more than you guys saw on the screen, but how many egg rolls can you watch fry? So I'm gonna fry. I left in the first one for about 1:30 with flipping going on. Just always check, kind of see if it's browning around the edges and if it's time to flip. All together, this took maybe like 5 minutes with all the egg rolls that I was frying. But again, watch your pan because obviously frying times are going to be different. Okay, so let them fry, take them out, drain them, and then baby, it is time to eat. Yes, we have Cheesecake Factory imitation, that sound bad. We have vegan Cheesecake Factory you know what? It's time to eat. Woo! Okay, y'all know it got hot in here with the frying and whatnot, but stove is off. I just cut one open. Inside of my egg rolls are never cute. I don't know why I can't ever get a pretty egg roll. Focus camera. There we go. So boom. The inside doesn't have to be cooked because it's all things that you can eat raw anyway. Avocado, sun-dried tomatoes, onion. So the inside does not need to be cooked. Just want to make sure you got crispy egg roll, okay? Alright, so boom, let's taste it without dipping it in the sauce first because we praying for these avocados, y'all. Y'all know they're super unripe, alright? That is really good. Oh, I love that. I love this. Alright, let's dip it into the tamarind sauce. Oh, very thick. Oh my gosh, let me thin this out. I didn't realize how thick it was. Okay. I can't tell y'all what it tastes like. It has an umami flavor to it because of the tamarind, I guess, and the cashew. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna eat those half. Ha! It just hit me with a little cilantro kick too. Oh, I did have somebody coming over here, y'all. They couldn't make it. I know. I don't know if y'all are like, you know, the old format of me always having a guest, but I tried, y'all. I really did try to have a guest on this one because I never had Cheesecake Factory before. This is my first time. I don't mind the avocado being unripe. It is very textured, but it works in this recipe. That sauce is so good. I wonder how this would be on like a salad. I'm gonna taste it with a piece of egg roll with nothing on it. Like nothing I've ever had before. That's a good sauce. That's a good sauce. Alright. We'll see if my mom likes it. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I didn't record my mom because it was a lot happening. But anyway, I couldn't tell if she liked it or not. She was kind of being vague about it, but she said it had a good taste to it. But it was kind of like, oh, it's alright. Like it wasn't as like the good taste like the last video. It was more like a, you tried. But one, she does not like bread, so she would never order this. And she's never had the original, so she couldn't compare. So she really wasn't a good taste tester. You're gonna have to try this for yourself. I think it's freaking amazing. I'm digging back in. Like, this is delicious to me. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.